Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Josh Ryder and today we are going to be unboxing, unbagging, and detagging Basic Man subscription bag. Box, bag. I think it's a bag. It's definitely a bag. Let's go!
Josh, he's unboxing things, oh Josh. He's unboxing things, oh Josh.
He's unboxing things.
So the concept of Basic Man is basically this. Your basics will basically go bad after a while. Your t-shirts, your underwear, your socks. And so they will send you for $19.99 a month a pair of high quality t-shirt, high quality underwear, and high quality socks. So let's tear into this. I don't need my little knife today. Or do I? Okay. Right, so upon opening the package, let's take these out one at a time. So we've got our socks, nice striped socks. I think they look kind of cool. We've got a navy blue Basic Man t-shirt. Get this open. So it's a V-neck, and it has an expiration date, which is interesting. It says destroyed by October 2022. Another thing that they say on the website is that we should not be using our same basics for more than a year or two. So that's the kind of concept. It's really soft. It feels really good against the skin. I'm sure you can kind of hear the ASMR on the little mic there. And then finally we have these underwear, which also feel super soft. Also navy blue, have a little stripe and little logo right here. So let's try these on. Let's see how the shirt looks. So this is the blue V-neck shirt. It's form-fitting, but it has some stretch to it. It's thin, but it's soft. I like it. I'd probably wear this around the house, maybe use it for layering when it gets a little colder. Who knows? Fits my boxy, sexy Teddy Roosevelt bod. And let's check out those undies. Ooh. No, I really like these underwear actually. They're super soft. They're like very stretchy. They're like they keep everything in place, but they're not super tight, not super constricting. They have this fun little loop here. No, I really like the underwear. I think this is the best part of the deal. And of course, my biggest market for all you foot people, here are those socks. Overall, I do feel like I got some quality for my dollars. It's just $20 a month and you get that shirt, the socks, and the boxers. I was most impressed with the boxers. Shirt, now after trying it on, I'm a little iffy on. Maybe I'll use it to work out, but I probably wouldn't go out wearing it every day. I also like the socks. The socks are cute, but I'm mostly thinking about the undies. And looking at competitors like MeUndies, which are $16 a month for one pair of underwear, just pay $4 more and you get a shirt, underwear, and socks. I think Basic Man is a great deal, and it'll keep your basics fresh. I signed up for 3 months, so at the end of the next 2 months, we'll see how I feel. I have a feeling I'm not going to continue this one, but I really like the underwear. Thanks again for joining me. We'll see you next time on Unboxing with Josh.
Josh, he's unboxing things, oh Josh. He's unboxing things, oh Josh.
He's unboxing things.
Wow!